Hello again, everyone. In this video, I just wanted to run through a facial detection open source model that I found called DeepFace. It's really good for just identifying different attributes. So we'll run through this little demo right quick. I have this loaded up on the Jupyter notebook. I've already installed most of the requirements, right? So you come down, we load our libraries. It loads CB2, NumPy, OS, and I just use Glob for later. Then it imports the DeepFace library. And then I also have Pillow for the image manipulation. Went on ahead and loaded up their face detector. And so I have this number 3 image that I'm going to run. I have all these images in a folder. So this is the number 3 image that I'm going to run it on first and find out what its performance is. And from what I've been playing around with, it's really good. So in this initial model, it just detects the number of faces, right? So it says there's only one face, and I just showed you that image. And this, I just went on ahead and reloaded it again, just basic testing it out and see, and then it shows me image number 1 right here, right? So that's the other image. Now I'll go ahead and load up the detector model and get all the attributes. So this one, and then here, once the model's loaded, it pulls back all of the attributes, and then I just print it out. It's running, and the general emotion on this image is it responds back with happy. It's pretty concise, right? But here's how deep this model gets, or this library gets, right? So it not only returns a predicted age, it also returns, the gender, the predicted race, as well as the predicted emotion. So let's just run through this again. And in here, we just defined a function and put all of the previous steps into a single function. And now we'll call this on a new image and see what the output is. Okay, so it has estimated age of 23, gender is a man, has me as an Indian, and then my emotions are angry. So in image 4, it says I'm angry. So let's take a look at, that's image 4, so that's pretty accurate. Now we're gonna go through the directory that I have 4 images, just load them all into a list, and then we'll run through that list, get all the outputs. So let's run it. That's loading it up. That's the first one. It says the results are estimated age 27, gender man, race age, and emotion happy. So here's where it kind of gets funny on the race estimation, right? So on this next image of me, it has that my race is Latino or Hispanic. My emotion is neutral, which is accurate. It says my estimated age is 23. This one, number 3, it says estimated age 23, gender, it has my race as Latino or Hispanic, and happy emotion, which is true. And then in this final one, my estimated age is 23, my gender is a man, my race is Indian, and my emotion is angry, so that's accurate. I think, one of the hardest parts about, when you start training models is, something as broad or is not as, well-defined as race. The race identification can be problematic if that's what you're looking for. For the most part, from a performance and an accuracy perspective, I really like the DeepFace. So I would encourage everyone to go try it out if you have the need for emotion detection or age guesstimation, let's just call it. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this little quick demo of DeepFace. Take care.